Welcome to our updated tutorial on how to change your username on Snapchat. Follow these steps to update your username and give your profile a fresh identity. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your account settings. Tap on your avatar or profile picture at the top left corner of the screen to navigate to your profile settings. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the top right of the screen to access your account settings. Within the settings menu, select the username option to modify your username on Snapchat. You will see the option to change username. Tap on this to initiate the username change process. Follow the on-screen prompts and tap Continue to proceed with changing your username. Enter your desired new username and tap Next to confirm the change. Please note that usernames can only be changed once a year, so choose your new username wisely. Congratulations! You have successfully updated your username on Snapchat, giving your profile a new identity. Thank you for watching this guide on how to change your username on Snapchat. Refresh your profile and make it uniquely yours by following these steps to update your username. Personalize your Snapchat experience with a new username that reflects your style and personality. Enjoy a fresh start with your updated username and connect with others in a new way on Snapchat.